I'm Petra Maitz and I'm an artist. I also did the curatorial work to this combination of art and science in the Natural Science Institute. How to picture living systems, this was the main idea.
My name is Martin Walde. I'm a visual artist. The animal which I pictured there is called Hallucigenia. It is actually an animal which scientists think it existed in real. But you know, the model you see here, many times it turned out as being not the real thing.
So if you see, for instance, the painting of John Aslanidis, a Melbourne-born artist, you see in all these patterns a heart, but the heart is not directly shown, so it's in between a network. Then on this separation wall between the lecture hall and the lobby, it's a formula about responsibility, and if you just divide the responsibility and the non-responsibility, there rests the no, and this is the no culture for only economic terms. This is like a really, really disturbing idea of sculpture because it's a crocheted stuff which looks like a bit absurd. But this is what I intended to have works of art. They are not directly involved in scientific questions, but maybe they raise some scientific questions.
This work by Peter Weibel is called Enjoy Your DNA. And there's two versions of the film here. It goes hand in hand with a book. And it's published in the book Molecular Aesthetics. It uses a mix of imagery, some looking computer generated, some filmed.
Explore your DNA. Erforscht eure DNS, DNA, DNS.
One of the other video works is by Maria Teresa Sartori, and it's called Das Konstanzprinzip. The narrative voice talks about the visuals at a psychic level. Images from physics and chemistry labs run alongside scientific experiments relating to liquids.
Sia con l'evitare ciò che potrebbe aumentarne la quantità.
The second work by Maria Teresa Sartori is called The Reasons of Science, which is a lot easier for me to say. Okay, so it uses images taken from archival documentaries, synchronized with a voice taken from radio broadcasts, which, in an unscripted and popular way, speaks on the matters of science, in particular physics.
The atom is free to decide, so to speak, when to decay, and that decision is completely unmotivated. A typical example in which the predictions are impossible is a billiard table with just one ball that bounces off fixed obstacles. The precise trajectory that a ball is following when it is about to hit an obstacle.
My name is Peter Schuster. I am Professor Emeritus for Theoretical Chemistry at the University of Vienna. So everybody expects artists, scientists, people from the humanities to have very different views of the world that cannot be reconciled, and that's not true. There is so much in common.
My name is Gerd Hasenhüttl. I'm senior lecturer at the Academy of Fine Arts. For me, also as a scientist in the field of visual, I have the impression that at the moment art is very strong influenced at the same time from the social scientists, from the methodologies.
Anyways, like everything we do in art is picturing living systems. You know, it's it's something, you know, which is a constant effort. The moment you see something and you have like you look and you stare, and it's so normal and everything is so like not interesting at the end when you just live, you know, because you have to find a way and motivation to picture it, you know. It's like, and to find the picture or the image of it interesting, that means a lot, you know, and that's the challenge, you know. You never know how to do it.